Hi Casey, Krisha Warren here, and just completed watching your presentation. I thought you did well breaking down what expectancy violation theory means. You provided good examples of how we individually own the interaction, positive or negative, to what we expect of others. Regarding the influencer overview you gave, I relate well to the interaction-based variables or context of the nonverbal interaction. I believe it's something I can be more conscious of for a more successful communication experience. I think the overview you gave helped me connect the dots from the reading to what you presented, and just a little bit deeper dive into what it all means. So I appreciate your presentation and feel that I did in fact learn and apply and can apply what I learned from your presentation into everyday life and communication. So thank you again, and talk soon.